How to turn $100 into passive income, step by step. Think $100 is too small to start with? Think again. You don't need $10,000. You don't need investors. You just need $100 and the right mindset. Because that $100, it's not just money. It's a seed, and if you plant it wisely, it grows into something that pays you again and again. Today, I'm showing you how to turn $100 into passive income, with real examples anyone can start. What passive income really means. First, let's be clear. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means front-loading the work, so the money keeps coming in after. Examples of passive income include digital products, online content, automated businesses, stock dividends, royalties, affiliate marketing. You build once, and it keeps paying you while you sleep, work, or travel. And yes, you can start with just $100. Option 1. Sell a digital product. Use your $100 to create a digital asset, something you make once and sell repeatedly. Here's how. Use $30 to buy a Canva Pro subscription. Use $20 to buy a digital product template on Etsy or Gumroad. Use the rest to promote it with low-cost Instagram or Pinterest ads. What kind of product? Budget planners. Social media templates. Workout guides. Notion dashboards. Printable kids activities. Price it at $10. Sell it 10 times? You break even. Sell it 100 times? You've turned $100 into $1,000 passively. Option 2. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing equals earning commission for products you recommend. You don't need to own anything. Just share helpful content and link products. Here's how to start with $100. Pick a niche you know or enjoy: fitness, tech, self-improvement. Use $50 to build a basic blog or landing page, WordPress plus domain. Use the rest for Facebook/Instagram Reels or Pinterest pins. Write 3 helpful articles or make 3 short videos, each recommending one product with an affiliate link. You get paid every time someone buys through your link, and those links can earn for months with zero extra effort. Option 3. Invest in income-producing assets. You can also make your $100 work for you, literally. Here are real platforms where $100 can start generating passive returns. Dividend stocks or ETFs via platforms like Robinhood or Webull. Peer-to-peer lending, where you earn interest by lending to others. REITs, real estate investment trusts that pay you monthly or quarterly. No, $100 won't make you rich overnight, but it starts the habit, and you can keep stacking. Over time, $100 per month invested equals $10,000 plus in 5 years with growth. Option 4. Monetize a skill or knowledge. Got something you know how to do? Turn it into a mini course or paid guide. Use your $100 to record videos with your phone. Buy a microphone or tripod. Host your course on Gumroad or Teachable. Use the rest to run Instagram or TikTok ads. Example. Teach basic Excel skills. Photography for beginners. Starting a freelance career. Self-care journaling guide. One-time effort. Lifetime potential. The real power isn't in the $100. It's in how you think about money. Poor mindset says, it's just $100, I'll spend it. Wealth mindset says, it's $100. How can I multiply it? Every dollar has potential. Every small start has a big return if you stay consistent. So if you've got $100 sitting in your wallet or bank account, don't just spend it. Plant it. Build something. Launch something. Try something. You're not too late. You're not too broke. You just need the right idea and the guts to act. If you're ready to make money while you sleep, not just while you work, hit subscribe to Mr. Wealth, because your next income stream might be just $100.